We're upgrading my bird's house. We're getting them new water. We get them that. And my sister right here gave them platforms or cardboard things, and they, I do not know, but they love that. They've been sitting on it for the past hour. They got up there. I have no idea where Lily is. Wait, I think she's next to. Yep, there. Yep, there. Okay. There's Lily, and there's Blue. So we gave them a new water. Don't mind this. I do not know where that's from. We gave them a water. That's that. Is that spilling? It's actually spilling. We got him a house. We got him a hotel. Oh my god.
Entonces, ¿no sacaste los chavos del WhatsApp? De la de eso, mejor todavía.
And we got Smiley.
¿No lo sacaste?
Smiley.
El dinero de
Smiley.
la de eso, ¿o lo sacaste?
Smiley.
Ay, man.
Put in the food. And once people notice some videos about the bird, I know you guys are gonna be like, oh, where's the? Every time I don't post a video about the bird, you guys are gonna be like, hey, how's the bird? Hey, how's the bird? Look, I'll make more videos on these birds, okay? So, have a good day. Bye.